Transferring photos and videos from an iPhone to a laptop can be frustrating, especially without a cable. If AirDrop is not working or you are using a Windows laptop, do not worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple method that works on any laptop. In this video, I'm showing the transfer from iPhone to laptop, but using this method, you can transfer files between any two devices. Before we start, make sure both devices are connected to the internet and are on the same Wi-Fi network for a smooth transfer. To do this, we'll use a free app called Send Anywhere. This app works on iPhone, Android, Windows and Mac, and it does not need any cable. You just need to install the app on both devices and make sure they're connected to the same internet connection. First, install the Send Anywhere app on your iPhone from the App Store. Now open the Send Anywhere app on your iPhone. Now open a browser on your laptop and go to sendanywhere.com and install the Send Anywhere app on your laptop. Now open the Send Anywhere app on your iPhone, tap on Send and select the photos and videos you want to transfer. After selecting the files, tap Send again. You'll see a 6-digit code on your iPhone. On your laptop, enter this code in the input key box. Click Enter. Choose a folder where you want to receive the photos and videos. Now click the Receive button. The transfer will start instantly. Once it is complete, all your photos and videos will be saved in the selected folder on your laptop. And that is how you can transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to your laptop without any cable. If this video helped you, tell me in the comments and do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and share it with anyone who needs this trick.